This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, we just take a look over here from your report. Okay, so right now your percentage it will be get this. What is that? I did displayed in this column. Okay, I'll just make it score. Okay. So just take a look. Each one of them your score, and then the top score is 28.6 as of now. Okay, so just work. Who the people are completed your task, right? So up to 6. Okay, got it. And then I updated Priyanka your profile up to 8, right? And then I also updated your record 8. 8 task is completed, and so okay. Okay. Any pending records still? Is it correct? Guys, I want to update any files. If I missed, you just let me know. Is it all of your tasks is correct? So let me know one by one.
Sir, you're yet to update the score, right?
Yes, yes. Still I'm not updated. Yeah, still I'm not updated.
Okay, sir.
Uh, yes, yes. Yeah, I need to update your profile. Yes. Okay, Lakshita, you can work still 3 more tasks. Okay, particular, right? And try to complete your pre-test from today. Okay, and let me know that your status from tonight. And one more person who is yeah, okay, right? So it still you work is not yet started, and Megha, and one more person, Lakshmi. Okay, right, fine. And guys, till now, how many reports it's completed? I guess 3 reports it's over, right? Even I need to update the reports. Okay, so still I need to check what is it, whether the reports it's evaluated. Okay, so still I'm not updated that activity report. Okay, so only the task I'm done. Okay, before night 9 o'clock I will update this all your report activity files. Okay, right? And then from today you need to target one more. Okay, right? So report number 4 and report number 5. Okay, got it clear, right? And report 5 and what you want to do, and report number 5. Okay, right? So what topic you want supposed to place. Same similar kind, you need to go to that your profile. Okay, right? So take that what is that, fourth URL. Okay, take your fourth URL and work on that report. Okay, fourth URL, and next one more, fifth URL. So now we have to start work with report number 4. I just open one of your profile, Ankita's profile. Okay, I logged into that account. And here you can able to check your score. Okay, it's updated. So the value is 28.57. Okay, it's a full mark right now. Whatever the works you done. Okay, particular, right? So how it will be get updated your full marks? Okay, let me show you one thing. So if I go to that continue, and here you've done that your pre-test, right? So some of them you are taking 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so that moment your scores and all it's very low. Okay, got it clear, right? So based on your task, right? So based on your task file, okay, that Excel, whatever the work you are working on it, okay, that will help you to get that what is that full marks. And here the day one activities get success, and from there you can able to I mark as what is that green color. That means that work is completed, right? And then from here for that day two activity also you completed, I marked as what is that green. And then for the day three activity report, that is also it's completed. For that I marked. So till now, whatever the work you completed, the total score is 28.57%. Okay, right? And work on task number 4 and work task number 5. Okay, right? So how I can able to work with this task number 4 and task number 5. So same similar procedure. Okay, got it? So go to that project reference material and take that your report. Okay, right? That I'll go to that final. Okay, I'll open that your report. Okay, that means same procedure you can able to make it build. Name of the student, and again I'm repeating the same procedure. Okay, there is no more changes. Okay, internship project topic. Okay, right? Internship project topic, and then name of the organization, right? So you just mention that it's TCS and I on small letter. Okay, small letter I you need to mention, and then the name of the industry mentor. Same you proceed with what is that Satyajit Rai. Okay, right? And till now that is the same mentor. Okay, maybe from tomorrow it may get changed. Okay, I'll let you know now. Okay, so that moment I'll tell you in case if your project mentor is changed. Till now you follow the same name. Okay, Satyajit Rai, and the name of the institute mentioned NICT. Okay, so now today I'm going to work this report number 4. Okay, right? So I can mention the date 8/9/2022 and the day as 4, the number of hours. Okay, how much number of hours I'm going to work for this what is it research. Then I can take that fourth URL, right? That fourth URL is http://trainingindustry.com. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do the research. Okay, right? So for example, I can take a website. Industry.com. Okay, right? So same from here, I can able to understand the topic. Okay, right? So you just put that word from here inside the document. Reference URL link. Okay, right? Just type www.trainingindustry.com. Okay, right? And then you can start your work. Okay, particular. So this is that one small content. Okay, you can take this content, you can write it by own words and then make it little scroll down. Okay, now I'm going to do that one small research about what is it? This performance management. Okay, so think about it. I'm going to click this performance management. Right, I will write it off this word. Performance management, and for this I can make this report little bolder. You can do it. Okay, for that no issue. Okay, I can give some color. Okay, you can present your report some colors. Okay, no issues. It will be accepted. Okay, right? And next, here I'm going to take some images. If you want to take that image also, right click and copy the image, and from here you can able to paste. So not required that what is that bigger image. Okay, so just you can customize that. That's enough. Little bit. Okay, and then you just go through that performance management. Ensure you are learning drives performance. Just little scroll down. You can take a look from this two sides. Okay, so read some few minutes, and then what you can understand, so that you can mention in your document. That is what here in this report number 4 you just write it off. Okay, fine. Okay, so write your content by own words. Fine. Okay, and then this is for report number 4. Okay, got it clear, right? And the people who can able to work for report 4 and 5, I'll just make it list. Okay, so the people who completed up to task 6 again. Okay, the people who completed up to task 6, only those people you can able to work your report number 3, sorry, 4 and 5. Okay, particular, right? So others, please don't work your report. Okay, right? So it may get what is that, it will reflect back. Okay, your marks will go down. Okay, right? So make sure that the people who completed tasks up to 6. Okay, right? So go forward your report number 4 and 5. Okay, particular, right? So I think around 8 people you can able to work with this, I guess. Okay, and rest of the people you just target your 5. Okay, so still I'm not received. I hope the first Indian has to go. Okay, right. So still she's not starting. Okay, fine. So guys, again, one more thing. So this is day 4 activity. Once if it is completed, just share this file to my email ID. Okay, right? And once if I said okay, you just upload that file in your portal. Okay, got it? And then next, once if your day 4 activity is completed, again use the same report. Okay, change the date. That means I'm going to put tomorrow's date 9 and 2022, and I'll change this into day 5. And don't forget to mention number of hours. Okay, right? You must need to mention that number of hours. Okay, I just added number 2 hours or 3 hours or whatever it is. And next I'm going to work for the next reference. Okay, I'll go to that project reference material and just make it scroll down, and here you can able to find that one more reference link, www.indiantrainingforum.com. Okay, yes, it's recorded. Yeah, it started. Yeah, it started. Okay, shall I continue? Yeah, next I'm going to enter www.indiantrainingforum.com. Okay, right. So this your 5th report URL. Okay, particular, right? So this is your 5th URL link. Sometimes it takes direct link. Okay, so directly you can able to go for this website. Okay, right? Just type Indian Training Forum. Okay, so click on this URL. This is the perfect URL. That website is changed. Okay, I'll take this copy. Guys, make sure this website, okay, that URL, you just, if you want, you just take a look. Okay, the forum india.co.in. Okay, that is your fifth report. Okay, URL reference link. Okay, so now what is that point? The people who completed up to 6 tasks. Okay, so do this 2 work first. Okay, at first you can complete this 2 work by today and tomorrow. That means from tomorrow is Friday, right? So complete it of these 2 things. Okay, so from today and tomorrow complete this work. Okay, right? After you can start task number 9. Okay, right? So first the people who completed up to task 6. Okay, right? Target your report 4 and 5. Okay, what is clear, right? I hope you can understand, right? And then once if I say, okay, fine, so your report 4 is correct, your report 5 is correct, and then start work task number 9. Okay, what is clear, right? So that task I will let you know now. Okay, so what we going to work. Okay, right? Guys, is it clear, right? Any doubts? Guys, is it clear? Shall we start for the task work? Yeah, perfect. Right. So let's start. So now I'll just close this document. Okay, and from here, okay, I'm maintaining all of your profiles. Okay, right? That activity works, whatever you are working here, right? So I'm maintaining all of your records. Okay, fine, from this particular folder. So still I need to add. Okay, right? So that means I'm each folder. So at the end, okay, particular, right? At the end, you can find what is that? In our portal, there is that one word you can able to find. So that means what is that? The project test will be there. Okay, particular, and then there is that one more word, project report. Okay, particular, right? So that moment, once if you completed all this task and then activity reports. Okay, so when we are entering into that project report and project test, so that moment I'll share all of your works. Okay, you can able to make it group all the files, and then you can what is that, stored in your drive, Google Drive. That particular link we have to use for our report. Okay, particular, right? And even what is that, you can also maintain your all your files. Okay, clear? You can save all the files in your Gmail account. Fine. So now we'll target task number 9. I'll forward this once again. Let me. This, okay, before I talk and post. Once again. Okay, so this column I will make it first column. Okay, fine. Okay, right? So I freeze that first column. I need to make it more little left hand side. Okay. So here, this is a task number 9. Okay, fine. So this task number 9, already we worked. Okay, we worked that task. What is that? VLOOKUP. Okay, guys. So you just work for that employee salary, right? After entering that your salary, what is it? Salary. What has happened? That data is generated, right? So that particular person's salary informations will be get reflected after when I enter the TCS 007, TCS 008, okay, particularly, and then TCS what is it? Some exact value it's generated. Okay, now one more. If I entered that wrong input, what will happen? I won't get any data, right? So here you just take a look, and I'm going to type serial number and employee name, and then what is that salary? You think about it. Okay. Now I have that data one up to 13. Okay. And then employee names. Okay. And then employee names. So that data. Okay. I have some set of employers in my column. So I have some set of employers names, and then again I'm going to use the rand between. Okay, you no need to do again. Okay, you can target your the previous file. Just rename that file as task number 9, and what is that? You can add your register number and then you can forward. Okay, particular no need to do again the same procedure, but still we going to work with some other features. That's it. I'm going to act with 15,000 to 752. Okay, fine. So I added that some numbers by using the rand between. Again, just place the cursor, double click. Okay. So the first step, Control C, Control Alt V. Fine. Control Alt V to generate that paste special options. Okay, I'll select it as values and click OK button. Fine. So now here, just take a look. And here I'm going to select some few range of cell. Okay, just some few range of cell I selected. This I'm going to click that word can be called as merge center. Okay, right? So that means some group of cells I just merged. Okay, fine. Next, and here also I'm going to select some range of cells. What is that? Merge center. Okay, fine. And then from the right hand side also I'm going to select merge center. So here I'm going to tell what is that? Enter employee ID. Sorry, I need one more column, right? I'll add one more column here. I'll do right click on this. So here from the B column, I'll click on this insert. Okay, because I need employee code. Okay, the employee code is TCS 001. So I'll place the cursor here and just double click. Automatically, it will get generated. Okay, so the first candidate is TCS 001, second candidate is TCS 002. So automatically it will generate till the last value of TCS 014. Okay. So now this is what my target cell. So from this target cell, okay, already we done it. Okay, so this is what my what is it? My input cell. Okay, I want to enter some values. Okay, so what I'm going to enter? I'm going to enter that value is what is that? TCS 001. This is what I'm going to enter. After entering, okay, got it clear, right? After when I'm entering the data, again from this particular range of cell, I get what is that? Merge center. Okay, I applied merge center. Fine. Now you know that how to work with what is that? VLOOKUP. Okay, right. I seen your task. Okay, right. So you understand that VLOOKUP. Fine, good. So here the same similar kind. I'm going to write that operator starting with equal. What is that? VLOOKUP. The lookup value is, this is the lookup value. So based on that first lookup value and then that table array. Okay, right. So the table array means, guys, you need to select. Okay, I guess. Okay, sometimes you faced that one issue. You may selected this entire table. Okay, right. So don't select this entire table. Lookup value. That lookup value is available in that employee code column. So you need to select your table from the employee code, not from serial number. I guess if you face that issue, so if you select from that entire serial number, things will not work. Okay, right? A table array in the sense you need to select from that where that, what is that, lookup values available. The lookup values available in that employee code column. So from there you need to select. Okay, fine. And once if you get selected and make it comma. Okay, right. And next there is that one more word, column index. So which column I want? I want salary column, right? So employee code is the first column, employee name is the second column, and salary is the third column. So I need to write 3, and then I'll close the bracket. So now before closing, I need to confirm with my exact match. So just double click that exact match and I'll close off and I'll make it enter button. So I'm getting that output for, what is it, 30, what is it, 39,728. Okay, is the salary. And here, okay, right. So this is that result column. Okay, right. So result means if I entered TCS 001, yes, that employer is there, no issue. If I enter TCS 21, that moment what I will get an error. That means not applicable. Okay, you got my point. So if the data is there, it is working fine. If the data is not available, I'll get that NA. So how to solve the problem? Okay, got it clear, right? So now, so this I want to know that, okay, I don't want NA. Okay, instead of I want some message. I'm just conveying my message to others. They can understand. Yes, is it result is found? Result is not found. That message I want to display. Guys, is it clear? You are getting my point. What I'm expecting from this example. Okay, right? Is it clear, right? Any doubts? Or I want to repeat again? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. So now here you can target this cell. Okay, this cell name box. Okay, from the left hand side you can able to see the name box are available. Okay, name box is I. Okay, that name box value is I10. Okay, got it clear, right? I grouped. Okay, I grouped that cell. So that's what it is making that I10. Now, okay, guys, you just listen. Okay, that cell is a number. Okay, that cell contains a number, right? So here I'm going to write one condition equal. Okay, right? I'm going to write equal. One more function I'm going to introduce. What is that function? Equal is number. Okay, particular, right? Equal is number. Okay, that means, is it number? I'm asking the question, is it the number? This particular cell, is it contains number? Yes, right now, yes. At moment it will print true. Okay, right? Is that I10 cell contains number means it gives true. If I'm going to make some other value like 22, TCS 0022 means it will tell false, because that particular cell I10 is not, it's not number, it's not applicable. Okay, right? So that means that is not in a number. So once if I have that value, so that cell will reflect. Okay, but right, that cell will reflect true. Okay, right. So now you can understand that what is the use of is number function. Is number function, which is used to check is it that particular cell contains number or not. If it is number, I will get output as true. If there is no number, because there is no ID, there is no employee ID, definitely I will get false. Okay, right? So based on that, we are going to build one more function. Okay, and now I'm going to remove that is number function. Okay, now you can understand, right? So here I'm going to write equal if, okay, right? Equal if inside I'm going to write that function. Okay, right? Inside I'm going to write the function equal if. Inside that if conditions, I am writing the function. I am selecting that item. Okay. So if the condition is true, okay, we return that accept and rejected, right? Same similar kind. Okay, right? If it is available, so I can give that one double quotes. Simple word, employee found or salary found. Some message, that's all. Salary found. Okay, got clear, right? Salary found. If it is false, okay, that means if I will get what is that, some other number, if I type, okay, that moment I will get that particular I10 value will be not applicable. So your condition will go false. So false means it will flows into the double quotes. Okay, so that moment simple, I'll tell that word, what is that? Employee not found. One simple statement and close the bracket and enter button. Now I will get that, what is that, salary found. Okay, guys. Okay, right. You can able to talk. Okay, now I can able to find that salary found. If I'm going to change some other number, okay, if I put one more number, you think, okay, so that moment it will give that one more word. What is it? Employee not found. Okay, if it is data, it is there, I'll get that value. If the data it is not there, I'll get that salary. Okay. Now there is that one more. What is that? So small work. Same similar kind. I can go to that conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Okay, select the cell. Okay, fine. Select the cell. Go to that conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Text that contains. Here, I'm going to write that word salary space found. Okay, guys. So make sure with this when you are typing the moment if it is small letter S or small letter F. Okay, no, I'm given that what is it? S is capital and small letter. Sorry, F is capital letter. Both that starting word as caps. So make sure with this. If you given small case also no issues. Okay. Now I'm going to change that custom format and I'm going to click that fill effects. So second, I'm going to work with the color as green. Some little shade. You can present. It's up to yours. Okay, right? And the same cell, I'm going to select. Go to that conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains. I'm typing that word employee not found. Okay, I'll click this word. That's all. Before I need to apply some colors, right? Custom format and fill effects. And then I'm going to select this red. Yeah, okay, but then fine. So now if I'm giving that some other different number, it will turn into that, what is that, employee not found. Okay, but here, right? And if it is available, you can make that one presenting that one information, salary found, salary is not found. Okay, so where we can able to use this type of VLOOKUP concept, you know, when once if you are making some customer call, right, at moment, okay, from other side the people they will ask, okay, can you please tell your number, mobile number. Okay, we will start to enter your mobile number. That moment I can able to see your information when you done that recharge and what are the activities you done. Okay, right, I can able to explain. So first there is a lot of customer informations are there, lot of customer mobile numbers are there. Okay, got it clear, right? So that moment I want to confirm from your side. Okay, so what, so this TCS 006 is nothing but your mobile number. Okay, right? So I will type your mobile number. Immediately it will give one message. Customer is found. then I can able to see that the customer, what is it, recently recharged amount. Okay, and then from here I can able to make one. Okay, right, two, three. I can, what are the activities they've done, I can understand. Okay, so this is what your startup work. This is that way what I discussed with the real time. Okay, so if you go for job, okay, so that moment customer queries, and once if you're, what is that, making that employee searching that data. Okay, so now you are the person, you are working in HR department, right? Okay, so a lot of employees are there. Now I want from my side. Okay, right, so in this particular month, okay, right, so my salary, I have some difference or something else. Okay, I want some, what is that, clarification, and in my particular month, so you need to ask me that your employee ID. I will enter my employee, so you have to enter that employee ID. You can see to that which month it is. Okay, right, and then you can drop down. Okay, employee ID, you can drop down that I want to know about my January month information. So you can drop down January, which year, drop down, and then I can able to see that information automatically. Okay, so for HR department, okay, so this type of real-time work is important. Okay, guys, I hope you can understand this. The task number 6. So directly I given the formula and all. Okay, got it clear, right? So see to this reference, I can you can complete it off, right? So this will not take that much of time. And my question, and the people who are completed up to task number 6, okay, go for that report 4 and report 5. Okay, got it clear, right? So if you are still not completed, okay, if you just what is it, so that only for 4 people, I guess. Okay, almost all people are completed, I appreciate. Okay, and still some few people you have to what is it, works task number 7 and task number 8. Okay, so make sure this. And one more, from tomorrow and Saturday, okay, that means Friday and Saturday, there is no session. I'm out of station. Okay, so there is no sessions will be there. So in meanwhile time, you complete your report number 4 and report number 5 along with your task number 9. Okay, got it clear, right? So that moment, the people who completed from this before this, what is that, Saturday. Okay, so don't go with Sunday. Okay, right? So Saturday is off. Okay, we can't able to update your score. Okay, in case if you completed from today, okay, right, report number 4 and report number 5. Okay, so tomorrow you can able to see your good score. Okay, got it clear? So tomorrow, that means after the people are completed task up to 6. Okay, you can able to create your task number 4 and 5. You can able to verify with from my side, and you can upload from tomorrow by evening. You can able to get minimum 45% full marks. Okay, got it clear, right? So today up to now there is no minus marks for Ankita. Okay, right? Then still now I'm not given for any minus mark for anybody. Okay, right? So based on your work, I'm happy about it. Okay, so only for 4 people I'm not getting that status. Okay, right? So Lakshita, I received that work fine. One, I'm happy about it. Okay, so you need to cross that what is it, task number 2. Okay, so that moment I'll put into the safer side. Next, Ritika, you need to must need to complete your what is it, pre-test. Okay, right? So it is not happened. Okay, and Madeline Rose, you completed your pre-test, but you got failed. Okay, so your score is what is it, 18. Okay, right? So again, you need to take up. Okay, I marked your marks. Okay, fine. So based on you already done that your task and all. I appreciate. Okay, so if even if you take second time, if you got failed, no issues. You can take one more time. You can see to that the status isn't failed. Okay, right? Okay, guys, is it clear, right? Any doubts? Any doubts over here? Yeah, one second. Ritika. Ritika, yeah, fine. Can you update your score in our WhatsApp group? Ritika is not here. Yes. Okay. And was here, right? 1 second, let me check. From now on, I will report it to update. Okay. Oh, now after that, okay, after the sessions, I will. Oh, still it is in record, right? Okay, fine. Right. After I'll verify that. Okay, and I'll put one message. If it is confirmed, you can upload your data. Okay, right? Any doubts? Is it clear, right? Yeah, I received that file, Megha. Okay. Okay, so this is your task one, right? Okay. So let me check. Already created a program. This is task one, right? Yeah, okay, you already you done your that reason. No, no, Megha, you missed the formula. Okay, you please take that reference video first. Okay, right. So already I shared all our session video reference. Okay, in that I teach how to work with what is that? The formulas and all. Okay, right. So you just go through that. So that moment it will be easy. Okay, fine. So here you missed the formula. Okay, right. You just work on it. I appreciate. Okay, so just you see to that video. Okay, you can able to wait, what is that, sit for some half an hour. Okay, that moment you can able to complete the task. Okay, guys, any doubts are here? Is it clear? Right. Okay, so now first what I said, work on that your report number 4 and 5, and then later you can try to complete your, what is that, task number 9. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, you just put one message in WhatsApp. Okay, got it clear? And uh, try to, as soon as possible, you can complete it off. Okay, right? I will update your score, what is that, little faster. Okay, guys, I'll end of the session. Okay, so we can able to take a look on Monday. Okay, right? So Monday, we have a session, right, at 7 o'clock. Okay, guys, I'll end of the sessions today. See you. Bye.